Hello, welcome back to the CompXM version 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips for round 4. I have, you can watch the other video for round 1, 2 and 3, and then round 4 is very easy for you. Just continue with the strategy to win with the top sale, top profit and top stock price. And in the last video, you know that we have top 10 tips. We use industry condition report, we use the free sell file to calculate INT. We update INT each round. We have added 4 new products in round 1, and then this is easy for you to continue with 8 good selling products. And for the marketing, we have set price, we have calculated the sale forecast, and now I'm going to show you how to calculate the production. I show you now. So you see the production table, right? You see the production table. Again, to calculate production, you check from the report and production number 4. You have this number, and use this number to calculate the sale forecast and also the unit result from last round. Here you see unit result, and also you see the inventory. Here we use this number and use this Excel file to calculate the sale forecast and also calculate the production schedule. So now we are going to input the number for production. You see the calculate the sale forecast here, and also you see some inventories here, and then we have the production plan here, right? 1 2 1 1, so we have 1 4 5 1 and 1 1 50 each, and 1 6 15 and 1 2 18 and 1 5 70 and 1 2 08 and 1 6 4 04. Okay, that's the production plan. And because it is the last round, so we don't have to buy more capacity. We have enough capacity here, and we have good automation here already, so we don't have to expand production. That's for the decision, right? That's for decision for the production. Okay, I'm going to show you decision for okay, you can see the decision for finance, for HR also, decision for HR also, decision for HR here. HR, we keep the recruiting spend 5,000 and training hour 80 hours a max, so we have very good workforce, so we can continue that. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.